Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will not discuss anything about class 12 physics because I am going to discuss about ICSE 2020 board exams. You know, the board is adamant to conduct exams. However, they have not announced the date till now. This is a very difficult situation for ICSE students. Government or board, they must take decision quickly as per the present scenario. You know, the students are in dilemma. What should they do? Whether they should prepare the class 12th, class 10th board papers which are left, because CBSE board has already cancelled the class 10 board examinations. So note that they are class 10th CBSE board students, they are very happy and they happily switched to the class 11th online classes which are already started. ICSE board is adamant to conduct the exams. However, you consider the present scenario, how difficult it is to conduct this exam. Lockdown has already been extended in India, and some states like Telangana, it is extended up to the 29th of May. Also, some states have announced the closure of the schools, that is holiday, like Delhi and Bengal. Just think, when and how examination will be conducted for these ICSE students. Social distancing, sanitization is additional problem, particularly in rural areas. You know, the aspirants of ICSE are in huge number, in lakhs. It will be a very big task and it will be difficult for schools and board administration to maintain social distancing, sanitization and hygiene. So the class 10th students, these ICSE students, they are still in jeopardy. That is, when and how the dates will be announced, whether examination can be conducted, when it will be conducted. Some students are thinking to switch in class 11 to go in CBSE board. Class 11 CBSE board classes are already started. What is the mental dilemma and frustration in class ICSE class 10th students? It is really very pity situation for them. The next most important issue is the transportation, because public transportation is not safe for any of the student, and it is very difficult to reach, it will be very difficult to reach the student at the examination center. Finally, I would request to the government and the board authorities to cancel the ICSE board examinations, considering the present global situation and mental agony of the students, as most of the papers have been conducted already. So please, my request is to cancel the board examination of ICSE 2020. Thank you.